Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are coming from watching this makeup tutorial, then hey, you guys are super loyal and I'm so grateful for you. But if you're not, I'm still grateful for you guys watching my videos. Thank you guys for being here. So today I have a new video for you guys. In today's video I am going to be filming 5 hairstyles for curly hair for the summertime. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Like for the summertime, I just like to get it either up or out of my face. So this can be a hairstyle for you, is just to leave it out. I do that sometimes, but for the most part, when it's hot, I can't do it, okay? I kind of have to have it up. But I'm gonna let you guys know what hairstyles are super cute and summer ready for you ladies that have curly hair. So first and foremost, this is second day hair. I just washed it yesterday. So this is kind of like first day hair because it didn't see the light of day yesterday. I washed it kind of like in the evening. So I kind of just let it dry, diffused a little bit, and just slept with my bonnet. So nothing special has happened to my hair. So this is kind of like first day hair still. I feel like if you have really good results from wash day, then you don't have to manipulate your curly hair that much to get really cute hairstyles. So this is what I'm going to show you. These are really like gentle on your hair, and they're still really cute, and it gets the hair out of your face for the most part. The first hairstyle that I'm gonna do is one that's very lazy, and it's for you gals that just want to get your hair up and out of your face. You can just brush your hair up. Okay, I just had to adjust you guys a little bit so you guys can actually see the top of my head. So anyways, all you gotta do is comb your hair up with your fingers. So what I mean by not manipulating your hair a lot, you're not going to use the brush too much with these hairstyles, which in my personal opinion, I find it to be better. So just be really gentle. And now I'm just going to take my scrunchie, wrap it around once, and wrap it again, but not all the way through. So this is your messy-ish bun. It kind of looks like a pineapple-ish, messy bun-ish kind of situation here. You can always manipulate this whichever way you like. I usually like to, if I do just 2 ties like I did now, then I'll probably secure a lot of it with these pins, which I'm going to show you. But sometimes I do like to go 3 times. The 2 times just regular wrapping around, and the 3rd time leaving it a little bit like this. And then I just like to use my pins to secure whatever pieces I feel like are just doing too much. And then if you guys are really loyal and you watch my ponytail tutorial, then you guys will know that I don't like to use too much gel right now, but I mean when I'm first starting, but now would be the perfect time. So if you need to, you can go ahead and spray just around here just a little bit. I'm telling you, if you guys have really good first day hair, you don't have to do too much. And then just kind of comb the pieces that you feel like are doing too much. I like to bring my sideburns down just a little bit longer than usual, kind of like that, especially when I have a messy bun. It just feels right. And don't be afraid to use a lot of pins, because it is a really cute lazy hairstyle. But if you need a lot of pins, at least it's gonna be securing your hair, and that's what you want. You can't take out your baby hairs like this, which I love to do, especially when I have a messy bun like this. Is just take out your baby hairs and just make it look really cute, tweak it to your liking. But this is like the very first hairstyle, and it's very cute, least effort, you're ready to go out the door. It's like, it takes like literally like 2 minutes. So that is hairstyle number 1. And obviously I didn't go hard and like try to make sure that everything was nice and neat around here. 1, because I don't like to have it nice and neat when I'm doing my bun, my messy bun. But 2, because I'm doing other hairstyles for you guys as well. So hairstyle number 2 is for you girls that kind of love to have your hair down, but you at least like to get it out of your face. It's your typical half up, half down, but there are different variations that you can have to it. This is your typical half up, half down right here. So this is your typical half up, half down. So this can be your hairstyle number 2. Or what you can do is, which is something that I like to do because besides it just being up, it also keeps it back. So I like to split my hair here. So this is literally like hairstyle 2.5 because it's literally still the same thing, half up, half down. I don't care about the part being neat because, as I said, when I have like really good curls, I kind of like messier hairstyles. I don't like it for it to be too neat because it just defeats the purpose for me. Tie this hair back here so that it's not in my way and gets tangled up with these pieces because it drives me nuts. So anyways, you can go ahead and just water right in the front to make sure that all your hair is nice and sleek, and then you just go ahead and twist that baby. And then you grab a pin to hold it back there. Sometimes what I'll do is just bring it down here and hold it with my mouth if I'm just like really rushing, but just get like 2 pins to hold it back there and then twist this side. Then you'll pull those hairpins out, and you can use a hair clip or you can just tie it. I like to personally tie it with the hair tie, and then just let go of the rest of your hair, and you can continue to adjust this as much as you need to. You can make this super duper tight and give you more of that like look, but I personally just like to have it like nice and loose, kind of like this, and then I'll go ahead and again let down some baby hairs, some sideburns. My sideburns are always just there anyways. And that is look number 2. So this next hairstyle is gonna get your hair out of your face, okay? And it is super cute, and it is the infamous space buns. All you have to do, as you guys possibly already know, is split your hair all the way down the middle. I, again, don't care about neat parts. I'm just gonna put one side away, basically. I'm just going to pick this one up here. And I like my space buns pretty high. And honestly, I like to do my space buns kind of like I just did the messy bun. I like my space buns to be super messy. I don't like neat space buns unless that's what I'm going for. I like to start off with my space buns super big, and then after a while I'll like bring it down a notch. So I like to just kind of start off with them like this. Honestly, you can leave it like this and it is so cute. Like, you really have to do nothing else. But I like to be a little bit more chill about it, and plus I have to fix these. So I'm using my pins to just secure them. So as you've seen, I didn't do the typical like wrap around and make it into a bun, because I feel like those come out too neat sometimes. And I really like space buns to look nice and messy and big, because I feel like it just looks cuter that way. But to each his own. I'm just showing you what I do for my own. So I'm just using pins to make sure that they look like I want them to look, and also to secure them more. This is so cute. When I was younger, I used to use a bunch of chopsticks in my hair and just like do these 2 buns and put chopsticks through them. That's about all that I do for them. And then I just like to bring out my baby hairs. Again, literally you can do any hairstyle, and as long as you have baby hairs, it's gonna look cute. That's just how I feel. So just bring out your baby hairs. Of course, you would gel these down or use some sort of edge control. I like to use this pomade for it because it's nice and gentle for my hair. This is hairstyle number 3. Oh, this is one of my favorites, and I wore this in for a lot of my photo shoots and pictures on Instagram. You guys have seen this one a couple of times. But I do this when my hair is just like, it's like day 3, day 4 hair, honestly, and I just have to put my hair away. So what I do is I split it here, I grab my 2 front pieces, and then typically I'll neatly put my hair back, but right now I don't want to use the brush. But I do use the brush for this one just to make sure that my ponytail is pretty cute back here. And then I secure this back here with the scrunchie. And then I just take these front pieces and I twist them back. And what I do when I get back here to the ponytail is that I just wrap it around and I use my pins to secure that. Then I take this piece and I do the same. And instead of wrapping it around this way, I wrap it around the other way. So wrap. And I use some pins to secure that as well. Now, if my curls are super duper bad, what I will do is I'll just take this hair and I'll literally just do this. And I'll just put a scrunchie and it'll be a bun. This is a hairstyle that you've seen me use on Instagram a lot. Or if my curls are not as bad, like right now obviously it's not bad because I just washed them, then I'll just leave it into a ponytail and then I'll go ahead and take my baby hairs out. And I usually like to comb this back with a little bit of gel as well because it is like super crazy, but you can leave it messy. It looks so cute. I'm telling you guys, messy curly hairstyles are the ish. I just love them. Just take out some baby hairs and this would be hairstyle number 4. So hairstyle number 5 is one that you guys ask me about a lot. Every time I have this hairstyle, I get a bunch of DMs asking me, how did I do this hairstyle? And also I wear this out a lot. Like this is the laziest hairstyle that I do, especially like in the summertime or if I have an event. Honestly, I'll do this a lot. So all you're gonna need for this one is literally this kind of pin or a hair accessory. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's these things. I know you guys seen these things. These things were super popular at one point and I stacked up on them, but I recently seen them at a drugstore. I just can't remember which one, but I recently seen them at the drugstore. So they do still sell these and I'm pretty sure they might have them at the beauty supply. They're super cheap and honestly I've been using this for years and years and years. So I just push all my hair back. I usually like to wet this, but this is already wet. And I like to wet my sides to make sure that my sides are nice and neat, but I'm not doing all of that now. The only thing that this does is that some of them are not as stretchy. Like this one is not super stretchy, but it does still stretch. But it can just make right here sore, but it does give you that really nice look, and I love this. So what I do is I make sure this side is good, comb it right up, make sure all this hair is good back here, start pushing this hair back. And then I bring it over to this side and pull that right up. And then I puff this back up like this. And girl, you're done. This is all you have to do for this hairstyle. As you can see, it did give me that nice look there. I freaking love this hairstyle. Like this is the laziest, easiest, best hairstyle ever. And it does still get your hair out of your face. So I just like to comb my baby hairs out yet again. I will go back and comb this back and make this all like nice and neat too, because I don't like too many flyaways. I like the front to be nice and sleek and then just like boom in the back. That is all for this hairstyle though. So this is the final hairstyle. This is number 5. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these hairstyle and hair videos, then let me know in the comments down below what kind of hair videos you guys want to see. I hope you all enjoyed. If you try any of these hairstyles, some of them are so typical. Actually, all of them are super typical. So if you try them from this video and you learned anything from this video, then tag me on all social media. But anyways, I hope this was helpful to those of you that have been struggling, and maybe this was like a spark of inspiration for you, because it is so hot these days and you really need to like get your hair off of you. You can even take this one right here and just do like a ponytail and it'll still be super cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!